Add intelligence into your apps with Dataverse AI functions.
Hello, my name is Paul Liu. I'm a product manager in Power Platform Dataverse. In this video, we're going to show you how to add intelligence into your apps and workflows using Dataverse AI functions. What are Dataverse AI functions? These are pre-built AI functions, trained and ready to use. You use it to enhance your user experience by adding intelligence into your apps and workflows. They are available to be used in AI Builder, Power Automate, Power Apps, Canvas apps, and low-code plugins. The following lists the AI functions. AI Reply allows you to draft a reply. AI Sentiment assesses the message and provides you a sentiment. AI Summarize summarizes the content. AI Classify classifies the text and puts it into a category. AI extracts the context of the text and puts it into the respective category. And finally, we have AI Translates, which translates text from another language. Next, to show you how to use this in Canvas apps, I have my engineer, Sadhana, who is going to walk us through a demo.
In this demo, we're going to be showcasing the 5 AI Star actions that we've exposed as a pre-built model through AI Builder. And we're going to be doing this through a simple Canvas app. We have a Canvas app here, which takes in some body of text and has 3 different actions it can perform: reply, sentiment, and summarize. So this text is written as though it's a user review about the Power Platform, and running the AI reply action, which is one of our AI Star actions, we get a response about how the user is happy about the Power Platform and how if there's more questions, they can ask for further assistance. Also running the AI sentiment action on the input, we see it's a positive sentiment, which is true. And running summarize, we get a small summary about the input, which is about, again, like the user talking about the Power Platform and its features. Or the 4th action that we have for the AI Star actions is AI Classify. So in AI Classify, we have a text that's being sent through, and this text is about summer. And the food and weather are categories that can be classified, used for classification of this text. So running the AI Classify action, we see it chose the category weather, which is true since it's about summer here. And looking at our 5th and final AI Star action, we are running AI Extract on this text about Washington and the food that it's typically known for. And our entity that we want to extract here is state, which is in the right-hand corner. Running extract, we're seeing that it extract correctly Washington as the state. And behind the scenes, how is this working? In each of our buttons, we're calling one of our AI Star actions, AI Extract in this case, which is from the environment data source. It takes in a text input and also an entity, which is state in this case. For AI Classify, in our AI Classify action, again, we can easily call it from the environment data source, and it takes in text and categories. And in this case, categories is actually a table, which is why we have the table of food and weather on the right-hand side as our possible categories. And for our first 3 AI Star actions, AI Reply, AI Sentiment, and AI Summarize, again, it's a simple call to the specific action. And each of these actions take in text, like any form of text as the input. And these are how we're exposing the actions currently, and what we have at the moment.
Thank you, Sadhana, for showing us how this Dataverse AI function and how they work. To summarize, Dataverse AI functions allows you to easily add intelligence into your app and workflow. They can be used immediately, and they can be found in AI Builder, Power Automate, Power Apps, Canvas app, and low-code plugins. The inputs into the function is string and text. This concludes the demo of how to add intelligence into your apps and workflow. To learn more, visit our Power Platform documentation site. Thank you for watching.
Microsoft Power Platform. Microsoft.